Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to recharge the AC in this 2005 Honda Odyssey. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and comment below? Really helps out a lot. You can also check out the Amazon links in the description if you want to. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is start the vehicle. And then we are going to turn our AC on and turn it all the way up. So we're going to turn both sides all the way as cold as they can go. And then we're going to pop the hood and go under the hood. Alright, so this is your low pressure AC port right here. So we're going to take this cap off. There we go, we'll set that someplace safe. Then we'll take our AC recharge hose, watching out for that spinning belt there. We're just going to click this down on there like that. And we can see that we are right in the middle of the green. So this doesn't need too much, but just to show you how to do it. So then you squeeze the trigger on your can here. Oscillate the can between 3 o'clock and 12 o'clock. And just allow the compressor to draw that coolant into the system. Alright, this can's getting pretty low. When your can starts getting low, almost to empty, you turn it up, down like this, allow it to suck all that coolant in. So you just do this until you fill up. As the car runs, the needle might drop a little bit, but fill it up. And if you're really low, the compressor will be kicking on and off, and your needle will draw down to the low, and then when the compressor pops off, the needle will run back up into the high. As the compressor kicks on, it'll draw down and back and forth. What you want to see is like this, where the needle's holding steady in the filled position and not running up and down a lot. So if this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, comment below, really helps out a lot, and have a good one.